So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Boohoo haul as well as a try-on. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these clothes from Boohoo with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in this video. Thank you guys so much for helping me, supporting me, and helping me get new drag for videos. And let's see what I picked up, shall we? Also, the little two-piece set I'm currently wearing, I picked up from Boohoo in a previous clothing haul, which I will link down below, along with my little playlist of all my other clothing hauls and try-ons. Not gonna lie, for this haul, I bought so many things because it's the new year, they had a massive sale on, and I bought stuff that I would never normally purchase, so grab a snack, I hope you guys are ready. There's gonna be a lot of garments. Okay, bitch, so this first dress is from the section that I normally avoid, which is all of the higher priced kind of garments, but Boohoo had like a 60 to 80% off sale on since it was the new year, and girl, this dress is absolutely stunning. I'm so here for it. It is a really pretty like deep purple kind of wine reddish kind of coloured dress with feathers all over like the top trim of it, which just gives me my full drag queen life. I am so here for this, and hopefully it looks cute on my body since I am living for it. Also, if you keep noticing that my bra strap keeps like breaking, it's because it connects on only one like little chain, and you know, I have man shoulders. It is not built for my frame, so every time I tense, it's gonna unpop. Yeah, so again, like the previous one, it is one of them garments I could not resist picking up for the heavily discounted price tag, and it is an absolutely stunning deep navy kind of bandeau styled mermaid gown. Generally, I'm not one to wear gowns all that often, but more and more recently, I'm loving the full elegance of a gown, and if I'm like nicely padded and cinched and like slaying it, a gown just looks so good and hugs your curves so well, and this is so weighted, so nice, and so like to me. So yeah, for sure in the future, you know I'm gonna be rocking the shit out of this, girl. It is luxe. Okay, so I just took off the rhinestone straps off that top because literally every single time I've moved forward it would pop them, and it was driving me insane, girl. So hopefully in today's video I don't flash the girls, but yeah, this next garment is for sure deja vu because it is the first garment but in like a nice kind of nude cashmere colour. Generally in my drag wardrobe I really don't own much in like the kind of neutral nude family of colours, but yeah, the style of this one really spoke to me, and for sure at some point in the future you will see it in the nice like burgundy colour or in this really nice like nude cashmere colour. So yeah, I had to pick it up twice, girl. Okay, so speaking of not owning many garments in like the nude category of clothing, the next thing I picked up is literally another nude garment. It is a full-on stunning like champagne-y kind of rose gold sequined floor-length gown. Like I said, I'm getting back into gowns recently, and if I'm nicely corseted and padded, a full-on like floor-length gown looks so sophisticated, so luxurious, and the sequiny sparkle on this dress is giving me so much life. I cannot wait to wear this and get my full-on like sequiny fantasy. Okay, so this next thing I picked up, I'm fairly sure you guys are going to say to me in the comment section down below, why did you pick that up? Why would you ever want that? And why would you wear that? Because it is a full-on white wedding dress, but yeah, there was just something about it that really makes me want to do a full-on like wedding transformation and be like all bridal and lacy and pretty and stunning. But yeah, this is literally a wedding dress, but it was 60% off, girl. I couldn't help it, and at some point in the future, you're gonna see me getting married in it. Okay, so you guys know me pretty well by now. In literally every single clothing haul I've ever done on my channel, literally ever, I always pick up something floral print. This one to me is so stunning and so like flowy and dreamy, but it also has a lot of length to it, so I'm hoping it looks like quite dramatic and draggy and like flows in the wind and gives me that full on like theatrical vibe. But yeah, you guys know me, I love something floral print, and you know I'm gonna pick it up in literally every single haul I'll ever do. Sorry about it. Okay, so speaking of floral prints, this next top was literally down to £2, so I could not resist it. It is in a slightly different style than what I would normally wear, since it's like that kind of sheared, kind of stretchy fabric top, but I absolutely love kind of the bandeau bardo style with nice long sleeves to it, so for sure, at some point in the future, you guys know, I love florals, I'm going to be wearing it. Also in that little £2 little bandeau kind of top section, I picked up this yellow snake print little bit of fabric. This I genuinely don't know when I'm going to wear or how I'm going to wear it, since it has no straps, no nothing, and is very minimal amount of thickness of fabric. But yeah, I love snake print just like I love floral prints, and again, I think in every single haul I've done, I end up picking up something snake print, so here she is, girl. I actually picked up a third little bandeau £2 top, and this one is in a nice little soft yellow kind of floral moment. Recently, I've been so into yellow, and for literally my entire like drag wardrobe and like career, I rarely wear yellow, but recently this year I've been so into it. I've been picking up so many yellow pieces, so yeah, for sure at some point in the future, you're gonna see it on my channel. Okay, so this next piece I picked up, I'm genuinely questioning my own taste level, so I know you guys are going to read me in the comment section down below, but like I said, literally every single thing I picked up was between 60 to 80% off, so not gonna lie, I was swayed by the price tag, but yeah, it is a full-on like holographic sequin blazer dress, so yeah, safe to say I don't own anything like this in my drag wardrobe already. I love me a blazer dress, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about a full-on sequined holographic one, but let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below, and at some point in the future, I'm going to make myself wear this for a transformation, since it is actually kind of like shiny and sickening, but different style, shall we say. Very different style. And then the final garment I picked up from Boohoo is again one of their things that's normally in like the Boohoo premium high tier price tag, but it was 60% off, so I figured it was worth like the 20 quid price tag, and it's in one of my favourite colours of all time, which for once is not chartreuse green. I do love me a chartreuse green, but this one's in like a really nice soft pastel blue, and it is literally a full-on tulle fabric kind of bridesmaid's dress. So not only did I buy a wedding dress, I did also pick up a bridesmaid's dress, but I just think this is so pretty, so like flowy and feminine and gorgeous, and yeah, for some point in the future, I want to wear this to do like a full-on like fairy transformation, or potentially a bridesmaid to go with my wedding dress, but yeah, I think it's so pretty, so stunning, and I love this colour and I love tulle fabric, so I can't wait to wear her. So yeah, that completes my little Boohoo clothing haul. Honestly, I'm so happy all of these garments were like 60 to 80% off, since even though I only picked up a few things, it cost me well over 100 quid. So I'm so happy they had that discount, since there is no way I would have spent that much or been able to afford these garments otherwise. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below which garment was your favourite. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about bonus days. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh, that was a really good tongue pop. I'm proud of myself, girl. Bye.